Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, smell gas, leave the room and ventilate by opening windows for 5–10 minutes. Once done, switch off all gas appliances at their controls and avoid any action that could create a spark. Locate the gas meter and identify the emergency shutoff valve, a square or rectangular hub with a notch. Make sure you have a flashlight and gloves. If the odor persists or you hear hissing, step back, call emergency services, and do not re-enter until professionals arrive. Next, use a wrench or meter key to turn the emergency valve 90 degrees so the slot sits perpendicular to the pipe. This closes the gas flow. Once closed, mark the valve position with tape or a note and take a quick photo of the meter ID for responders. Make sure you apply steady pressure. If the valve won't move or you see damage, stop. Forcing it can cause leaks. After closing, leave the area to fresh air and call your gas company or emergency line immediately to report the shutdown. Finally, once you've shut the valve and notified the gas company, wait for trained technicians to test lines and safely restore service. Do not attempt to relight or restart appliances yourself. If you still detect gas odor after shutting the valve, evacuate everyone to a safe distance and call emergency services from a neighbor's phone. If repairs are delayed, keep the meter area clear and document what you did and when, including photos. This record helps technicians diagnose issues faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.